Hello and welcome to my channel. Today we are doing a winter to spring wardrobe switchover. I asked you in my community, on the community tab, if you were interested in watching me do a wardrobe switch over, and I got a pretty strong yes, you were interested in seeing that. So I am bringing you along for that. I am going to be doing this in voiceover format only because there's a lot, and I kind of want it to be casual and really take the time to walk you through my process to show you how I am switching things over, especially because this is my first seasonal transition with this particular wardrobe. I did put up a video talking about the IKEA pack system, which I will have that linked in card so that you can watch after this video. I'll also have it linked at the end of the video. This is not a styling video. I am not trying anything on for you at this point. I am going to be doing a spring lookbook for you in the next video. And also, I think shortly after that, I will be doing a spring date night style inspo video. So make sure that you're subscribed and you've hit the notification bell so that you don't miss those two videos. I think it's going to be a lot of fun. My closet right now is a mix of a lot of old and new, and I'm excited to show you everything that I have. So let's go ahead and dive in. Of course, I do need to have my little helper here. Actually, she's my manager. She is just making sure that I am doing a good job. I'm starting out with taking out my blazers that I'm not going to be wearing. That's a heavier blazer that I don't think I'll need, in addition to a couple of other shirts that I just don't feel that I will be using in this time, especially because they're of deeper color, and during the spring and summer I like wearing lighter tone things. I'm also doing the same thing with my pants, taking out some of the pants that I have that are of a heavier weight that I know that I likely will not wear during this time, as well as some of the dark floral dresses that I didn't wear. I'm taking those out as well. Also pulling any of my shoes that are more of a winter vibe, especially boots and booties. I've got all my sandals and strappy shoes kind of in a holding pen here, and clearly I have a love for the double strap sandal because I seem to have quite a few of those in my collection. But all of these I know will work beautifully with the spring and summer things that I've got lined up. I'm also going through all of my sweaters here and pulling out things that are of a thicker gauge knit. I am keeping quite a few sweaters and sweater dresses still in the lineup because it's still kind of chilly here, and so I need to have that protection. Then taking my shoes off of the shelf. Now, I mentioned this in my IKEA video, I think I did anyway, that these shelves are amazing, the slide out trays, but they do pick up all kinds of dust and cat hair and my hair. So I'm taking my Swiffer cleaner and giving it a wipe down, and then I am going to spray it down just so that I can get started with a clean slate. Next, I am putting my shoes back on, and I like to color coordinate my shoes. As you can see here though, I will be changing my mind several times on what shoes and how I want them to look. So you'll see me moving things around a bit, but I like to have, like I said, all of my shoes color coordinated. It makes things more aesthetically pleasing, and it just helps me to see things a little bit better. So bringing in all of the things that I know that I will be styling and wearing for you guys in the upcoming seasons. I do have a mix of closed shoes and open shoes again because the weather is very unpredictable at the moment, and some of these things may be edited out as the season progresses, but for the time being this is what I've chosen, keeping a couple of loafer mules and a bunch of my sandals. Next, moving on to this glass front drawer that I have, bringing my my stretchy straw belts to the forefront, as well as moving my belts from that top slide out drawer into this drawer. I still haven't gotten belt organizers, and my manager has decided to conk out on me. She's doing what she does best. So here's the holding pen for all of the things that I want to bring into this wardrobe. Spring and summer is like serious dress season for me. So a majority of what I am going to have for this period of time are going to be dresses, because I am such a huge fan of them. They're so easy, and as the weather warms up, it makes life so much easier. So here I'm just pulling all of the dresses that are on the blush hangers, because I have to have matching hangers. I can't have them mismatching. So anything that is on a light pink hanger is going into the wardrobe right now to start. I'm not putting them in any specific order at this time. I'll order them here in just a moment. As you can see, I've got a mix of old and new, bringing in some of the dresses from years past and some of the new stuff, and can't wait to mix them all together. All right, so here we've got the dresses that are on different hangers. Going to put them on the blush colored hangers. Yes, this might seem a little bit excessive, but I have to have matching hangers. I can't not have matching hangers. It just drives me nuts if I don't. So I'm making the swap out for all of my dresses, as well as my tops, and also the pants are going on a black clip hanger. And this is a nice little trick for this strapless dress from H&M. Just put it on a pant hanger. Okay, so starting to put all of the shirts back in, again, in no particular order right now. I just want to get them hung so that I can see them, and I will come through and order them here again in just a moment. No plastic hangers allowed. Off they go. Okay, so now coming to my dresses, it is time to start ordering them by color. I usually go lightest to darkest, and I do categories as well. You don't see me doing that to my pants and skirts because I've already done that, but for the dresses it needed it. So like I said, grouping them by color, lightest to darkest, and yeah.
Yesterday, there was sun and there was rain, beauty in the mundane. And as the light startled our eyes, we let go of disguise. And now, there's something in the air, and a sparkly shimmer on our skin, restoring everything within.
So now I'm doing the same thing for the shirts. I am putting them in color coded or color coordination here. My blazers, I've already done that, so you're not going to see me doing that here. Just moving things around, tweaking, and making it to where I can see everything, and that way when I get dressed, you know, I know what I've got. I've decided that I'm going to fold my cashmere t-shirts, so I'm pulling them off of their hangers and doing a quick fold. They're going to go in my sweater drawers. These I will likely stop wearing as the weather warms up, along with the sweaters. Like I said, a lot of this, especially the sweaters and some of the longer sleeve sweater dresses, are going to be taken out as we get closer to summer. And the full reveal has to wait until the next day because my lights needed charging. Next day, here is the finished closet. This is what I've got on deck for the upcoming spring and summer. We've got a mix of cottons, linens, gauzes, and then my shoes, all of the nude and white ivory toned shoes. I am keeping some loafer mules because we are still in a transitional period, and then also I've got a lot of my sandals, a lot of my kitten heel mules as well, things that I would maybe wear to events and things of that nature, and some sandals. Then the drawer here, just showing you the final layout. I've got my stretchy belts, all of my bags, my other belts in this drawer here, and then of course my shirts, all nicely color coordinated and ready to go along with my blazers. My sweater dresses and sweaters, quite a few of them still. Like I said, we're not quite out of the cooler temperatures here where I am, so I will still be wearing some of those, and then just another drawer of sweaters. And that is the final switch over. Let me know your thoughts. I would love to hear what you have to say. I hope that you enjoyed it. If you did, make sure to give it a thumbs up, because that does tell me that you like this type of content, and I will be able to post more of it for you. One little bit of housekeeping for those of you ladies in the Style Squad. I have dropped a question in the community tab for you, asking you for your questions or topics that you would like for me to cover off on our next live. It's going to be coming up in about a week, so let me know what you'd like for me to talk about in the live session next week. If you're not a part of the Style Squad, I have now added live sessions in the membership. I'm going live twice a month, and I am answering any of your burning questions. So if you are interested in exclusive content like that, make sure to go down to where it says subscribe. There's another little button next to it that says join. Hit that. It'll give you a menu of everything that I have in the Style Squad. Make sure to join us, because we do those live sessions now twice a month. I don't want you to miss out. So check that out if you're interested. Make sure to join. All right, everyone. Thank you so much for spending a few minutes of your day with me. I truly appreciate it. I'm going to leave you with my IKEA Packs wardrobe video here for you to watch next. Remember to live your life filled with confidence, grace, and style, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye.
Easy, easy on her tiptoes.